Hi, welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Cassie and I'm your host, and today is Mystery Box Monday. I don't know about you, but Mystery Box Monday is one of my favorite days. I hope it's one of yours because I always open a mystery box on Mystery Box Mondays. And if you ever want to look at the past Mystery Box Mondays, you can always look at the playlist. I have a playlist of all of them that I've ever done. So this week we are going to be looking at another clown car of yarn, as I like to call them. Kraemer mystery boxes are amazing. Every time they go on sale, I post to my community tab, and then I take down my post once they've sold out. That way nobody gets false hope, right? The last time that I posted about it, when I saw that there was a sale on, only one person liked it. So I'm not certain how many people saw it, but only one person actually, gave a nod to, yeah, I see that, So just so you know, I do post about them though. I'm thinking about adding a picture next time because I think that might make my post more visible or something. But regardless, they're out of Pennsylvania. They own their own mill, and these are mill ends. And mill ends there's a lot of different definitions for mill ends, but basically it's yarn that's left over or yarn that they can't sell for whatever reason. Maybe they don't have enough labels. Maybe the dye lot came out a little bit different, and so they've decided to toss the whole dye lot. I mean, I'm pretending I'm not saying that this is exactly what happened in these cases, but those are some examples of why it might come out that way. I'm just trying to think. Maybe they need to move product. Maybe they made, maybe they have, they've made all of their hanks and they have one left and it's just a big mega hank. I mean, there's all sorts of different reasons. So we're about to open this. I just wanted to say I'm totally obsessed with my hair when it looks like this. Actually, I'm not actually obsessed with it. I get kind of caught up with literal meanings and figurative meanings, but the cool kids say that they're obsessed with their hair when they like it. So I'm trying to be cool. And I just realized that I have this in the back. I like to have something in the background when I am doing my mystery boxes so that I can talk about what I'm making lately. This is a sweater that I am making for my son. Obviously he's a little boy. He's smaller than me. Obviously. I haven't made the arms yet, obviously, but this is made with I think it's called, well, it's a knit crate yarn. This one's called Buffalo, and this color is called Slate. Okay, and I know that it's still in stock on Knit Crate, because the last time that I saw it, it was still there. And so this buffalo color is this really kind of deep maroon color, and then the slate is kind of like a charcoal gray. It's not black, but it's a charcoal gray. And what I did was I made a raglan style top this way. Then I inserted this, basically I made a collar, and then I'm folding it over, and I'm going to kind of just pin it, like sew it just right there and there. And then I added one stripe on the bottom here. Okay, and then on the very bottom I added some ribbing right here, and I used the same ribbing that I did on the collar. And then when I do the sleeves, I'm going to make the sleeves, and then I'm going to put ribbing on the bottom of the sleeves. It's just like this. And I don't think he'll actually wear it to school or anything, but it'll be warm in case it snows in the next like 6 months. Sometimes we get it, sometimes we don't, but it'll definitely keep him warm if it snows. And so that's how I made this, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it back where it is. Obviously have not woven any of the ends yet. And I just wanted to say before I open this box that I am going to be doing a really cool cardigan tutorial by the end of the week. Okay, so I'm really excited about that. It's not this one, it's a completely different one. I don't even want to show it on camera until you see the whole tutorial. All right, so let's get into this mystery box. So the first thing I have here is this really beautiful like boucle type yarn here, and it looks like an enchanted forest to me. This is the absolute perfect colorway for me personally. This is a Cassie colorway because it's got that brown and green, and then I don't know what this is. I don't know if it's white or if it's just a a lighter color brown, but whatever it is, it's beautiful. I love it. It looks like some place where fairies will fairies hang out. So I love it. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those, and I am so happy about this. I want to turn this into a sweater. I want it to turn it into a nice comfy sweater. Sometimes this boucle can be a little bit difficult to work with. This is very similar to Lion Brand's homespun, but it's not nearly as thick. In fact, hey Greg, would you mind getting me out a Lion Brand homespun so I can compare them on camera? So he's gonna go get me one, because I actually do work with the Lion Brand homespun, just so we can compare them, because I think that I've gotten these several times from Kraemer yarn in my other mystery boxes, and I always say it's like it, but it's not. I just want to show you the difference. I think that the white one will be able to illustrate the difference a lot better. Okay, so this is the Lion Brand homespun, okay, and this right here is the Kraemer yarn, okay? So if you see there, it's similar in that it's both blue clay, and they're both, you know, obviously, you know, they're both boucle, they're both similar that way, but this one is thinner, you know, and the boucle isn't as exaggerated on the Kraemer yarn one versus the Lion Brand. So that's how I'm going to say the difference between them. So I'm really happy about this particular thing. I think this might be my favorite thing I've ever gotten in a mystery box from Kraemer, just because it is just my colors. Oh, I just wanted to mention, this is something that I bought at a store. I think I actually bought it at Old Navy about 5 years ago. It is not something I make. I made. So here's another thing. I believe that this is merino wool. It's got a huge halo on it. It's very, very thin. It's like a lace weight, something like that. Just to kind of compare it, it's got that same green color in it that this does. So it's just on a different fabric or a different material. But I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of those, okay? So we've got 7 of these. All right, and now I've got some, this feels a lot like acrylic, but it's so soft, and since I know that they have wool there, it smells like it's a wool acrylic blend. I can't tell you exactly what it's made of. Obviously, it doesn't have a tag. I don't know what it's made of, but that's what I would say intuitively. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of this kind of maybe a brick red. Yeah, it's pretty. Okay, and then we have this nice kind of almost denim looking ones, and it has little flecks in it. I don't know if you can see it. There's not very many flecks on it, but it does have some white flecks here and there. I don't know if you can see it. I can barely see it just looking at it like this, but there are like a few flecks here and there. It just looks like denim to me. That's what I'd call it. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of those. All right. And then I have this, I believe this is a cotton acrylic blend. I don't know that for certain. I think this is the cotton acrylic blend that is a 3 weight. It is a smaller weight. I mean, like, certainly this I would say is a 4 weight, and this I would say is a 3 weight, just to kind of compare those two there. Yeah. And I just want to compare this as well, because these colors are very similar. So you can see the different colors here and how that green shows up on different materials. Now, I'm not certain that these are the exact same colors. I don't know that, but it looks similar enough that I wouldn't be surprised if it was, you know? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these, right? And then I got another one of these. I got another bunch of those. This is this kind of like light kind of aquamarine. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like we have 7 of these as well. Yeah. It's like a clown car. They just keep coming. And then we have this one as well. Yeah, and this is made out of whatever the same thing that this is made out of, and whatever the same thing this is made out of. And so I've got 2, 4, 6, 7 of these as well. I already did the math, and it is 48 different things of these that I got. And I believe that these are $37.50 plus shipping, and shipping is going to depend on where you live. Shipping for me, it ended up coming to $53, something like that. So that's not even $2 a hank, because I mean, I'm not going to try to do the math here in my head, but 48 goes into 53, like just one time plus a remainder of something. You guys, I mean, I can do math. I really can. In fact, my mind's like trying to calculate it right here, but I'm not going to do it. Come on, just don't. This is Mystery Box Monday. We can't do math right now. I'm trying to make. I feel like an idiot, but I'm an idiot in style because my hair is awesome. Just in case some of you guys might wonder, I still have not gotten the round brush, but I did get some. I did get that hairspray that I'm not allergic to. If those of you who have very sensitive skin, if you find yourself being allergic to a lot of makeup, like mascara and like even antiperspirants and deodorants and stuff like that, those of you check out the Vanacream line. They have a deodorant that like does not cause any kind of irritation or anything, and Vanacream even has this hairspray that has got my hair all nice and rocking out, right? I think I'm cool. So anyway, I am really excited about this week. Later on tonight, I'm going to be doing my drawing for one of my giveaways. So you guys, make sure that you find that and get in on it. Also, later on tonight, I'm going to be posting a second giveaway for August. So you guys are going to want to know that. The theme is my favorite things. Those of you who might remember a question that I asked in one of my previous giveaway might have a hint there and what's going to be in it. Because I had asked you guys, hey, what's your favorite yarn, Pretending like I didn't have a good reason to ask that, but I did. So that is going to be a big feature in my next giveaway. And again, the winner's going to be picked for the one that's going on right now. And all through the week, I've got something planned for you every day. Every day. So I also got some Happy Mail to open. Just wanted to know, you guys to know, those of you who sent me Happy Mail, I haven't forgotten about you. I just haven't gotten to a video where I can open it up yet. So know that I've got that too. So you guys, really excited about this week. Got a lot of planned for you guys. I'm in a great mood. I kind of took off last week after being a little emotional, you guys know. And it was really good. It got me, I spent a lot of time making this and then designing and making the cardigan that I'm working on right now that I'm going to be featuring. I've just been filming it as I'm making each part. So even though it's going to only be like 20 minutes when you guys see it, it's actually something I've been doing all week. So I'm really looking forward to finishing that and showing it to you guys. That said, thank you so much for watching this video to the end. It's always really nice to catch up with you guys. I always read your comments. I just wanted to say, I had so many comments back to one of my most recent videos, very supportive comments Thank you for that. That was helpful. It really was. It was helpful to me. And I've gotten a lot of emails as a result of that, which I love. Thank you. Thank you for sending me emails. I love getting emails. But it's kind of hard to get back to everybody at a good time. Just know that I'm still going through those emails, and I really am going to be getting back to all of you guys who reached out to me. Just hadn't been able to sit still with them for a long enough time and all of that. And you know, hey, if you like yarn content, if you like tutorials, like crochet tutorials, if you like flipping through craft books, product reviews for crafters, things like that, you might want to follow me by subscribing. Hit that notification bell, because that way you'll know when I have a giveaway go up. I have lots of giveaways on this channel, at least 2 a month, if not more. So if you hit that the bell, you'll always know when I post a video for the giveaways, and you'll know when I post a winner, because I always post the winners in a video too. Just wanted to kind of give you that heads up. And the giveaways are pretty big. They're worth anywhere between $150 to $300. I've got a tradition of throwing a Noro in. So we got you covered when it comes to that. Just wanted you guys all to know that my spirits are very high this week, and I am looking forward to spending a lot of time with you guys this week. We'll see you soon in another video. Bye for now.